What's up people, welcome to the third episode of the daily vlogs, and before I start the video I want to say thank you to each and everyone who have joined me in this journey. Thank you to all the new viewers, new subscribers and everyone who has shared my videos. Like seriously, it feels so good. And normally I sleep in the afternoon and today I just couldn't sleep because I will let my viewers down because I haven't made something, or I again have to make something that is really good, and it drives you crazy. It drives you because with daily vlogs you have to keep thinking what the content will be. So for all those who are new here, what you can expect on this channel is daily vlogs, podcasts as called Mouths Keep Talking, productivity videos and challenge videos. So I hope you like this third episode of the daily vlogs, and let's start this vlog. So I don't know if many of you will use this app called InShorts. You can see news there. And today's most crazy news was that Elon Musk has a company called Neuralink where he will help us put chips in our mind which will be supported with AI. So he was like, once that chip starts working and everything, all the whole process is successful, you can basically listen songs directly from your head. You don't need to put earphones, etc. And I was like, what? That sounds pretty crazy. And then I sent that post to my friend Kenneth. And the first thing that Kenneth said was, bro, imagine the Spotify ads that you have to listen all day long. And that was really funny. I was like, damn, that should be a meme till now. So today's plan is I want to go and meet Hamad, and we want to discuss about anime, because India mein anime ko leke now we are very ignorant and we have all the wrong perspectives possible, and I wish through my medium I want to give out the right information, and I want you guys to check out anime because anime is not for kids. So a lot of myths I want to bust. So Hamad is actually my neighbor and he plays basketball. In my previous vlogs I had used snippets of him playing basketball, and he is one of the best basketball players that I know. And he used to be an anime fan. I don't know if he still is, but he was a die-hard Naruto fan. So, and that's what now in India there are very few animes that we know, like Naruto and everything. So hopefully I can talk about more animes that are available right now. हमाद आजा, हमाद टाइम हो गया. ओड़ा ओड़ा ब्रो, नहीं 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 ब्रो, ऐसा मत कर. अभी लैंड हुआ. कितना टाइम लगेगा तेरे को? बस 5 मिनट. अभी लैंड हुआ तो 5 मिनट कैसे लगेगा? हॉट ड्रॉप क्या है? हॉट ड्रॉप ठीक है कर ले, फिर मेरे को बता दे. रेडी हो जाओ. ओड़ा ओड़ा ओड़ा. अरे तू ये चेक किया था क्या अपना MHB वाला ग्राउंड?
अरे सब चालू है बट
हाँ. अरे बट है बे, थोड़ा तो रिस्क है. बट कोई फुटबॉल, हम लोग को बास्केटबॉल तो वैसे खेलने देगा नहीं, तो फायदा तो है नहीं.
नहीं चालू है, हर जगह चालू है.
क्या?
हर जगह चालू है, सब लोग बुला भी रहे मुझे.
नहीं चालू है. ग्लैड अपना YMCA ना, ग्लैड गया था.
चालू है.
क्या बोल रहा है?
स्टोरी देख रहा हूं.
बट फिर ये हो गया ना, कॉम्बैट स्पोर्ट है ना, तो फिर अगर किसी को है,
प्रतीक ये लोग सब बुला रहे हैं, वो लोग रोज खेल रहे हैं, वीडियो आ रहा है.
मेरे को ऐसा लगा बंद हो जाएगा, ऐसा कोई देख लेगा.
नहीं चालू है, वो लोग एंट्री दे रहे हैं ना, बट सिर्फ 2 घंटा 5 to 7.
तो फिर भी नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या मालूम, थोड़ा वियर्ड लगा ना. मैंने ऐसा क्यों चालू किया मालूम है? तेरा इंट्रो में
मेरे को ऐसा नहीं करना
तेरा ना, अरे तेरे इंट्रो में मैंने बोला कि तू वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर्स आई नो. ऐसा होना चाहिए ना कि नो इन्फॉर्मेशन.
नहीं
अरे अब तो आ गया ब्रो.
नहीं करेगा
क्या कर ले तू लॉयर को पैसा कौन देगा? अरे मेरे को क्या बात करने का था ना कि एकदम आज मैं पूरा एनिमे का बात करने का सोच के आया मैं, इसलिए मेरे को लगा कि तेरे से ज़्यादा कौन अच्छा बोलेगा. मोमो, बट मोमो तो अभी IC कॉलोनी में जा नहीं सकता.
IC कॉलोनी में कितने सारे केस हो गए
बहुत. अरे मेरे कांटेक्ट लिस्ट में ना, ऐसा जब भी तेरे साथ फोटो या वीडियो डाला ना, ऐसा मेरे को बहुत लड़की लोगों ने पूछा है, who's this? तो अब मेरे को लगा कि क्या बोलते हैं ऐसे, हाँ राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी यूज करना चाहिए ना. कल समटाइम्स विद गुड लुकिंग गर्ल्स, समटाइम्स गुड लुकिंग बॉयज. मेरे को व्यूज से
अभी मैं रेडी नहीं हुआ ना, अभी
क्या
यूट्यूब पे प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं रेडी नहीं ऐसा.
मैं ट्राई कर रहा ब्रो. मैं 2 बजे 3 बजे सो जाता हूँ मैं.
सुबह आते ऐसे
नहीं रे, बहुत लंबा हो गया.
ब्लॉग वही ब्लॉग कर लेंगे.
मैं सोच रहा था वो सब, बट
full safety.
ठीक है, देखते हैं वो
Morning shop.
क्या हो गया ना। अभी कल मैं इसका बर्थडे के लिए सब गया था, ठीक है। तो फिर आज मैं पोस्ट देखा ना भाई का, एक फ्रेंड ने डाला था कि नॉर्मली जो ये लोग हैं ना कि बोल रहे कि अपने को फ्रेंड्स लोग मिस कर रहे हो, जो मिल रहे हैं उन लोग की वजह से ये सब बढ़ रहा है। फिर मेरे को ऐसा बहुत गलत फीलिंग है। फिर मैं सोचा कि
यूथ को तो हुआ ही नहीं किसी को।
अरे
बहुत कम cases है।
यूथ को कैसे होता है ब्रो, हम लोग कैरी करके दूसरे लोगों को देंगे, समझ रहा है। तो अपन ये है ना कैरियर्स, इशू वो है। ठीक है, देखते हैं। मेरे को एक्चुअली वर्कआउट करने का था गार्डन में।
नहीं कर सकते हो, पोल्स बोल पे अगर
क्या?
किसी ने हाथ बोल सकता है।
वैसा नहीं, ऐप वर्कआउट और पुशअप और वो सब। So okay, change in plans as you've seen. Madhu is not in the mood today. Maybe tomorrow we'll go for a jog and I'll speak about the whole anime content. But still, I wanted you guys to know that this is what I wanted to provide in this episode. However, I remember I had promised you guys about philosophy, and if possible, if you guys can buy this book, it's called The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday, then please buy it, or if there's some way that you can download it or whatever, if some friend can send it to you, please do so. And it's one small passage of Stoic philosophy that you can read every day. And you know, first I thought ki this isn't really helping me, and am I really thinking enough, and how is this helping me? Then I have this process where I write what I have learned through that philosophy, and eventually I learned that, you know, the way I'm looking at life is changing. I'm not saying that, you know, I'm become a monk and all of my life's problems are solved. I would never say that, but I can only share what I have experienced and how much better I have got, so that I can help you guys. July 21st, made for working together. Whenever you have trouble getting up in the morning, remind yourself that you've been made by nature for the purpose of working with others. Whereas even unthinking animals share sleeping, and it's our own natural purpose that is more fitting and more satisfying. Marcus Aurelius, Meditations. So today's philosophy was all about working together. So Marcus Aurelius and Ryan Holiday wants to tell us that, you know, we have a purpose. We forget this. We think that, you know, we have no purpose here, or we take a very nihilistic approach that none, you know, what does it matter that if we don't work, if we don't do anything. And that's how, you know, we tend not to wake up early in the morning, or we don't have this, you know, boost to wake up in the morning, like a caffeine hit. So in case if you need something else that's not coffee or chai, take this perspective that we as humans have an obligation. We have a higher obligation, not to the gods but to our fellow humans, that we have to build a civilization. That a civilization, country, nation is built by working together. So everyone does need you. For instance, you have to serve to your purpose. Now if your dog is sleeping on your bed the whole day, you know what, it doesn't matter, because it's just being a dog. It's just fulfilling its purpose, right? It's not going to go and do some build some code language or something like that. Those are things that we should be doing. So for example, look, what is your purpose? Your purpose can be, you know, working for your family. You have responsibilities and obligations, and you really need to fulfill them. Now I am taking a purpose of doing daily vlogs. Now there must be this one person who might have had a really shitty day and might see this vlog and be like, you know what, this was entertaining, I'm so happy he did that. And that's what keeps me going. And we need to remember that each and every one of us has an obligation and a responsibility, and the world is waiting for us to complete those things. The world is waiting for us to show up our talents and to make the world a better place to live in.